What is it about this place? Ships vanish, planes disappear, and yet no one can explain why. Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle. For centuries, sailors have told stories of entire crews disappearing without a trace. Planes have flown over this mysterious zone, only to vanish from radar, leaving behind nothing. Some blame freak storms. Others point to underwater volcanoes. But what if there's something else at play? Something we can't even see? From alien abductions to magnetic anomalies? The theories get weirder the deeper you dive. Scientists have found strange magnetic fields here, causing navigational instruments to go haywire. Pilots have reported time distortion, flying for hours, yet covering only minutes of distance. But here's the thing. Despite all the scientific research, no one has truly solved the Bermuda Triangle mystery. Is the Bermuda Triangle just a deadly coincidence? Or is something far more sinister happening here? Maybe, just maybe, we'll never know.